Okay, now let's just go back to that price rise and the lack of anything happening in Parliament. Joining us now is one of the BJP's most articulate leaders, Yashwant Sinha. So I just wanted to start with you first. We've just heard that there could be a compromise. Do you think this compromise will actually happen soon?
Well, it depends entirely on the attitude of the government. If the government had agreed to our adjournment motion, then Parliament would have been functioning. If they had agreed to our demand for a discussion under Rule 184 in Lok Sabha and 168 in Rajya Sabha, the stalemate would have ended long ago. So it's entirely the government which is responsible for this, because they are applying double standards. When they do some things, then it is absolutely pro-poor, pro-people. If we do the same thing, then it becomes exactly the opposite, entirely anti-people, anti-poor. So this is what is the issue today.
Yashwant sir, what will a vote really achieve? What's the difference between debate and a vote?
The vote, as Mrs. Sushma Swaraj said yesterday, we want to censure the government. So an adjournment motion is also a censure motion. And then if the government defeats it, fine, the government continues, but we would have made our point. You see, the whole effort of the government is that we should not be able to make our point, that the whole thing should be talked out as it was talked out in the last session. And nothing has happened. I mean, here is a government which does not say that they will control prices through their policies. It's a government which is saying we are dependent on the gods, the monsoon. If the monsoon is fine, then there will be a decline in prices. Otherwise, continue to grin and suffer.
Yes, I suppose, but the tragedy of India is still dependent on the monsoon, and all of you governments in the past should have built irrigation, etc. But I'll just come back to that. Bring in Lalu Prasad Yadav again. Sir, will you accept, this possible compromise formula we've just heard, that there'll be just a motion against the price, just some compromise, a motion criticizing the government against price rise?
What will happen, what chair will do, we will see. What is the ruling of the approach by the speaker? Now, without knowing the attitude of the honorable speaker and the government, how I will comment anything on this issue? Right. We are watching everything.
Right, sir. I'd like to ask the same question to Mr. Yashwant Sinha. So will you be ready for a compromise? Just a motion criticizing the government or asking them to tackle some strongly worded motion on the price rise?
I don't know. I mean, that's something which the party will have to take a view on.
Lalu ji, okay, forget all this, just the bigger picture. Should this government stay in power now that it's been elected or not?
जल्दी जानी चाहिए, इसीलिए हम 4 आदमी जीत के आए हैं. हमने कहा था 4 आदमी, ये जो सरकार है, जो महंगाई फैलाती है, बदमली फैलाती है, इनको जल्दी से जाना चाहिए.
Right. Okay, sir. And the alternative to this government, will it be Lalu Prasad Yadav?
Songhas, my party is a small party, but my voice is very strong with the comparison of the other political party.
Right.
We are sufficient. We want the solution. Right. The government have to solve the problem. Right. So we are agitating.
Right. Yashwant Sinha ji, you want a debate on everything. Will you have a debate on Amit Shah also and the Gujarat government and the CBI's role and their possible role in covering up or stopping the investigation into Sohrabdin murder?
That's a state issue, and state issues are not discussed in Parliament. You know that very well. So where is the question of discussing Gujarat in Parliament?
Right, thank you both very much for joining us. I know it's an emotional issue, how you handle differences in Parliament, but please find a solution and get back to work. We'd like to see that, those benches full. Thank you very much.